next 20 minutes. Mr. Gaurav, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Mr. Gaurav, you are studying in which college?
I'm studying in JG College, sir.
Can
Jagadguru
you please
Gangadhar.
can you please talk loudly by keeping your mic near your mouth
Yes, sir.
or speak
Uh,
loudly? Your voice is not heard properly. It shows as if you are talking from inside a well.
am I
So
audible,
please
sir?
speak. No, no. Are you using mic, say, earphone?
No, sir.
Then please speak loudly.
Hello.
Please speak loudly, still slightly more loudly, no problem. Now, yeah, um, you are studying BCom, you are scoring 72 marks, you said. Good, very happy.
72%, sir.
72 percentage, good. Now, please tell me, in your college, how many people have been selected for this interview?
Five students have been shortlisted, sir,
Very good.
currently.
Are they your friends or not?
I'm not much familiar with them, but
Very
they are
good.
my classmates.
You are not familiar with them. Very good. Doesn't
Yeah.
matter. Now, Gaurav, can you please tell me about yourself?
Yes, my name is Gaurav Durgatsimi. I am basically from Hubli, Karnataka. I am currently pursuing my BCom degrees in JG College. I am in my final year and I have completed my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya. I have completed my PUC from Fatima PU University. Talking about my hobbies, I love listening to music and cooking. And speaking about my strengths, I am self motivated and a positive person. So that's all about me, sir.
Good. Can you please tell us about your achievements during your school or college days? What do you think was a good achievement on your part?
Yeah, and there were two awards which were awarded to me in my school days. That was from Scout and Guides and NCC camping. I had successfully completed the Pratham and Dvitiya Sopan test, and I had been awarded for that. So,
Good. Very good. Gautam, can you please tell us about your family?
yeah, my family includes four members, including me, my mom, my dad, and my sister. My dad is an employee in railway in Southwestern Railway. He's a gadgeted officer, and my sister is currently studying in Ireland, and my mother is homemaker.
Sir? Now, you said your father is a gazetted officer. What is the rank?
Gadgeted officer rank.
No,
Uh,
what is his designation? Station master or
uh,
guard or what is this
so he's
the
an
designation?
accounts officer.
He is an accounts officer. What did he study?
He studied MSc, so
Acha, acha, he studied MSc, right? Your sister is studying in Ireland.
yeah, so
Where is Ireland?
Ireland is nearby.
Nearby your house,
Nearby Britain, sir.
nearby Britain. Acha. For studying which degree has she gone there?
She has gone for business administration, sir.
Why,
She is
why
under.
did, why did she not study in India or in other places but preferred Ireland?
She was getting good opportunity to go for Ireland. She had already given some tests and all, and she got the good scholarship. So she decided to go over there and study.
Very good. It's a good answer. Very nice. Can you tell me about Ireland? Who is the see in which respects Ireland is standing is graded very well in as compared
Sorry, sir.
to many other countries. In which aspects of human life is Ireland graded very well?
Sorry, sir. I'm
Hello.
not aware of this.
No, I think Ireland, Finland, and these places they command first place in respect of
Finland is
say
totally different, sir. It is the happiest country.
Yeah. Ireland is not happiest country.
Uh, it is happier, but its rank is a little bit low as compared to Finland.
What is the rank?
No, sir, I'm not aware of the rank.
Happiest countries in the world in 2023. First rank goes to Finland, second Denmark, and the third is Iceland, fourth is Israel, fifth Netherlands, sixth Sweden, Norway, Switzerland. That means it comes much below that, no? Somewhere
Yeah, sir.
around below 10 or so. Did you
Yeah, sir.
ask your sister?
No, sir.
You just ask her, she will be able to tell you. Tell her what are the important points she can tell about Ireland. Okay. First 10 countries, it is not there. First one,
Yeah, sir.
Finland. Second one, Denmark. Third, Iceland. Fourth, Israel. Fifth, Netherlands. Sixth, Sweden. Seventh, Norway. Eighth, Switzerland. Ninth is Luxembourg. 10th is New Zealand. So all other that means it is after that only. You must know about details about Ireland. Go through Wikipedia or ask your sister who is the prime minister or president of Ireland, or if there is any king, who is the king, then what is the government system there, democratic or what it is, which is the central bank of that country, what is the central bank rate in that country as compared to our country. Some such details questions you can ask her to know about Ireland. Certainly they will ask questions about Ireland from you, because very rarely we come across candidates like this.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Very good. Now, you told about your family. You told your father is working in railways.
Yeah, sir.
You are in Hubli. Are there any recent improvements made in Hubli or nearby your place in
Yeah, sir.
railways?
In railways, Hubli has the world's longest platform, railway platform. It has been newly constructed, and Hubli has also been included in
Hubli also has been included in what? Hello? Hubli has been included in what? Sound is not, your sound
Hello.
is not, you please get, come and sit outside the house so that your voice, you get good signal, or you go to upstairs, open
Am I
terrace.
audible, sir?
Now it is
Yeah,
slightly
I'm on
better.
terrace itself, sir.
Now terrace
I'm
only.
on
Very
terrace
good.
itself.
Very good. Very good. Acha ji, now about the recent improvements in Hubli, you must be
Yeah,
able
sir.
to tell what is the length of the platform.
Length of the platform. I'm not aware of that, sir.
Doesn't matter. Hubli railways, it comes under which railways?
Southwestern Railways.
Southwestern Railway. Good.
Yes.
Now, how many zones are there in railways?
No, so sorry, I'm not aware of
You
that.
you should ask your daddy about all this. Railways. About railways, you must know. Also, what do you know about the recent Vande Bharat Express trains? In
Yeah, it
from
is
which
from
places Vande Bharat Express trains have been introduced, more especially in Karnataka.
okay. As far as I know, it is one of the fastest train in the railways, and it has various facilities like movable chairs and uh, automatic opening of the doors and closing and all. And in Karnataka, it is from Goa to Bangalore.
Mhm. Mm. You please get to know how many Vande Bharat trains runs in India.
Yeah, sir.
You should know about all that. How many trains are running? Recently, from Chennai to Coimbatore, they introduced. Recently, they introduced from Jaipur to Delhi, something like that. So you should get to
From
know.
Mumbai to Ahmedabad also it is there.
Yeah, who is the railway minister now?
Piyush Goyal.
No, no. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, sir.
No, no, some Ashwini Vaishnav, they will tell. Na. Any other boys, anybody? Who is the railway minister now? Excuse me. Ashwini Vaishnav. अरे
Okay.
भाई क्यों गलती बोल रहे हैं रेलवे का
Piyush Goyal was
रेलवे
former, I think.
रेलवे एम्प्लॉय का लड़का है अब ऐसा गलत बोलने से कैसे समझेंगे हम लोग बताओ
Yeah,
हाउ
sir.
विल बी so you must answer them correctly so like this way only your discussion will go on very lightly like this then they will ask you then you are telling about your say hobbies as say cooking and what
Listening to music.
Acha, which music do you listen?
I listen to devotional musics and some Bollywood too.
Acha, which song from our country was awarded Oscar award recently?
Natu Natu from RRR movie.
Acha, who was the director of that movie? Who was the music director of that movie? Who are the actors who acted in that? Please prepare for this. I know
Yeah,
you
sir.
can't answer it now.
Yeah,
Now,
sir.
what is the other movie for which uh, our Oscar award was given this year?
The movie. One was for web series, sir.
No, no, from India.
Yeah, that's what, sir. One was for web series and one was for this RRR movie. Web series
Was
name
it
I'm not.
was it a web series? Elephant Whisperers. It was a
Yeah, sir.
documentary. Na? It was a
Yeah,
documentary.
documentary.
So you must know about that. I don't know it now, but you try to know about it. Okay,
Yeah, sir.
good. You are a boy from Hubli. What are the languages you know, Gaurav?
Yeah, sir. I'm fluent in Kannada, Hindi, and English, and I can understand a little bit of Telugu and Gujarati.
Acha, which languages can you read and write?
Hindi, English, and Kannada. I can read it and
Very,
write it.
very good. Manchidi. Very nice. Very happy. Now, which bank do you have an account?
SBI, sir.
Acha, who is the chairman of SBI?
God, I don't remember. I'm not able to
Dinesh
recall it.
Kumar Karra. Dinesh Kumar Karra.
Yes,
What is the savings bank interest rate they are giving in SBI? 2.75.
2.7.
So now in Federal Bank, did you go through the website or not?
No, sir. I have gone through JD, but not website.
What did you JD? JD means
Job description.
job description. Can you please tell me what is the job description?
Job description, it contains about the skills that are required for this particular job, and it contains the rules and regulations about the job roles.
No, no, your answer should not be like this. Your answer should be what are the skills that you are required to acquire, have, and what is the job you are supposed to do.
But they
You must
haven't
tell it.
mentioned any skills in that job description, sir.
Acha? No, no,
You
but
have added that in your folder, sir. You can just
no,
check it.
it can be told like this. A bank clerical staff is supposed to receive the customers with a smile,
Okay, you mentioned about the roles and
explain him about the
regulations.
various schemes of the bank, help him in completing KYC formalities, then help him in opening of the account, and he will be giving checkbook, passbook, debit card, and all that. Whenever he is sitting in single window operator account, he'll be taking care of all functions like say receiving cash and making payment of cash, receiving money for remittances, receiving money for deposits, and explain about various schemes and try to do cross selling by selling other products also to him. When he is sitting in cash counter, he will be responsible for receiving cash and also making payment of cash.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the bank clerk also, when he is in other sections, should help the branch management in taking the documents, in making correspondence for recovery of the loan, for canvassing of new deposits, new schemes. He will also be responsible for canvassing of, say, new deposit accounts through existing customers, through new customers.
Yes, sir.
And in other words, he should be an ambassador of the bank, try to project the good image about the bank, and try to get as many new accounts as possible and new business, as much new business as possible.
Yes, sir.
Good. What are your
Can I
weaknesses?
get this in any of your folders? Is there any
Pardon? These
whatever you
points,
told?
these points
Yeah.
are not given in the folder. I'll be giving you this video.
Yeah, sir. Fine.
Yeah. Now, next point is, if you come to your federal bank questions, these are the questions that they are asking.
Yeah, sir.
Are you seeing on the screen?
Yeah, sir.
This is also a question asked for a clerical candidate. He is a BTech candidate. He has been selected. Questions asked about myself, about federal bank. First, an important question is they will ask you about federal bank. What do you know about federal bank? So for that, what you should know, you should go through the about us in Federal Bank. Basically, you know when was it started, then who was responsible for starting of this Federal Bank, and who is the present MD and CEO, Mr. Shyam Srinivasan. Then who is the chairman, say Mr. Bala Gopal. Then you also get to know how many bank branches are there, how many ATMs are there, how many, it's all given in the website. How
Yes, sir.
many cash recyclers are there, how many happy customers are there. Nearly 1.6 crore customers are there.
Mm-hmm.
Then you should go through the Federal Bank website like this and try to know what are all the various schemes they are having. Invariably, they will ask what are the various products we are having. So you must be able to tell at least four deposit products like savings bank, current account, recurring deposit, and fixed deposit, then demat account, then NRI deposits, like that. Then you should also tell about business loans. What are the various loans they are giving? So likewise, you must go through this one. And apart from this happy customers branches, this is banking outlets. Number of branches, I think it is 1335 or so. It is given in the website. So you please tell this only. There are
Yeah, sir.
about 1370 banking
Mm-hmm.
outlets are there. Like that you tell. And apart from this, what can help you is your perusal through this glossary, because you are a last minute student. There is very less time before you. So you please go through, apart from the Aparchit material I have given you, apart from the Bankers Adda material I have given you, apart from most common interview questions I have given you please go through this. If you go through this, you will be able to answer majority questions. What is
Yes.
bank assurance? What is bank draft? What is banker's check, etc. So please prepare for all these things, study all these things very well. Then regarding the Reserve Federal Bank, the total business figures are given here. As on 31st December 2022, Federal Bank had a total deposit of rupees 2 lakh crore. Advances was 1.71 lakh crore. Net profit was 803.61 crore. Net, um, This and all may not be very much required. Non-performing assets details you get to know. NPA percentage, I think you need to know. The NPA percentage, gross NPA was 2.43% and net NPA was somewhere around 0.73%. These things you must know because you are a commerce graduate. But
Yes, sir.
for other candidate, they have asked like this. Um, what then? How does your experience with this? This is not applicable for you. Sell a smartphone to someone, highlighting its unique features and benefits. This question, if you want, you can take now, or you can take it up tomorrow. Okay. I may ask you to sell something else also. You may be asked to sell a smartphone or a pen or say a water bottle or any
Can
of
you just
their
give me some
deposit
tips? How
schemes
can I
or any of
sell it?
their advance schemes. Okay.
Can you just give me some tips, sir? Like how can I sell a pen or a kind of this?
Here, whatever it is, whenever, see, they have told here itself, highlighting its unique features. Highlighting its unique features. For example, if I am going to sell a smartphone in India, smartphone, smartphone features. If you put like that, you will get some ideas. What are the points you can say? What are the best features in India? These are the phones. These are the best phones in India. Number one, Samsung Galaxy, iPhone, Google Pixel, OnePlus, Samsung, etc. But what we are interested in, what are the four main features of smartphone? Internet connectivity, mobile browser, ability to sync more than one email account, embedded memory, a hardware or software based QWERTY board, then wireless synchronization. Apart from this, many more points are given here. So you can go through them and try to know about this. So when you sell one smartphone, you will sell like this, sir. This is the new smartphone we have brought from our company, and the features are extremely unique, not available in majority of the phones. Likewise, whether it may be true or bad, you should try to speak out like that. Could you
Yes.
follow? You should feel happy about your product and tell what are the features of this product and highlight about this. And then tell them this is priced very, I mean, its price is very competitive in that it's very less compared to other products. So please purchase this. Supposing you want to buy for your company more numbers, we can offer you some concessions also. 10 to 20% concessions we can offer, and you will enjoy by using our phone. Something like that you should say. Same way, when you are talking about say, ball pens, you should try to highlight different products about different aspects of that ball pen. Like it comes in different colors, it is sturdy, it lasts for long, and it is use and throw. Something like that you can say. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So likewise, you try to prepare for all these type of questions, and what other questions are asked, they are all given here. And they will ask something related to current affairs also. More especially, they ask, say, um, the repo rate. What is the present repo rate? Why repo rate was not revised recently? Why was repo rate being raised all these days? What is inflation? Likewise, they will ask some questions relating to banking. So, right from now till your interview time, you should always be thinking about bank, bank, reserve bank, foreign banks, scheduled commercial bank, private sector banks, RRBs, then small finance banks, then payment banks. Likewise, you should think about that. Try to know as many details as possible about them. Also get to know details about the latest types of payment like UPI, IMPS, NACH, National Financial Switch, then Aadhaar enabled payment system, then Beam UPI, all these things, and the corporation NPCI, all these things you must know. As
Yes.
any person going for bank interview, you must be thorough with the RBI website, your bank website, then IRDAI basic points. IRDI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. You must also know about stock exchanges, Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex, then Nifty Sensex, then SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. Then you must know what is NABARD, what is SIDBI, what is NHB. Then names of union ministers, president, vice president, then speaker, number of Lok Sabha seats, number of Rajya Sabha seats, number of Lok Sabha seats in your state, number of Rajya Sabha seats in your state, then ministers from your state, names of ministers of your state cabinet, when the next election in your state is due, then how many districts are there, what is the speciality of your state, what is the speciality of your district. Likewise, you must be prepared to answer all the questions relating to them.
Yes, sir.
That's all. So this is
So
your
will they
first
ask anything
interview for
related to
you. Now,
accountancy?
do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Any questions?
So will they ask anything related to accountancy and all?
Yes, 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 yes. I have given you in the material some basic accountancy questions they will ask.
I'm
Invariably,
somewhat weak in this subject.
invariably they will don't feel that you are weak. Try to improve your ability. They will ask in accountancy normally what they ask. What are the three rules, golden rules of bookkeeping? Debit the receiver, credit the giver, debit what comes in, credit what goes out, debit all incomes and debit all expenses, credit all incomes and gains.
Yes.
Classification of account as personal account, real account, nominal account. Then
Yes, sir.
what is a journal entry? What is a trial balance? What is a profit and loss account? What is a trading account? What is net profit? What is depreciation? What is goodwill? What are overhead expenses, then what is income tax, what is GST, what is balance sheet, assets and liabilities, and then why capital is shown in liabilities, what are the different liabilities, what are the different assets in respect of banks, what are its liabilities, what are its assets. Please go through the balance sheet of Federal Bank, recent balance sheet, get to know some details so that you can answer all
Yes.
these questions easily.
So are these questions in content folder?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Everything is here. There are 170 pages of questions. Out of these 170 pages questions, there will be some 30 questions which are oft repeated. See, this 176 page consists of probably questions asked to some 200 candidates. And in that, there will be repetition of questions that will give you an idea what questions you should prepare. If you cannot get after going through the materials I have given you, once you go through the questions, you may be able to answer. And still, if you are not able to answer, please go to Google and make a search. And out of search also, don't accept it as it is. Check up whether it is latest or not updated. Then, if it is an old one, then you can search under chat GPT and try to get questions answers. For example, questions like say, what are the services banks are doing? Why banks are more important for our economy? Why agriculture is important for our economy? What is insurance? Why insurance is important for a nation's economy? Likewise, these are general questions which you
The
can
way I
search
can
in.
learn some basic knowledge about banking and all.
I have given you Aparchit material.
Only that is enough, sir.
Aparchit material plus Federal Bank website.
Okay, sir.
That's all. Best wishes. I wish many, there are out of five people who come to me like this in the last minute, three have succeeded. Only because they have good communication skill in English. Number two, confidence. That is
Yes.
what will make them succeed. Now, since you are going only for clerical post, please talk to me in Kannada about, say, your hobbies.
Okay, sir. So, ನನ್ನ ಹಾಬಿದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕೇಳೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ರೂಮ್ದು ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
So you should not stop abruptly like this. You should be able to explain something more. When you say that cooking is my hobby, then you should say I prepare this and this dish very well. Then, when you say decoration is my hobby, I enjoy decorating my room frequently. For example, once in a week, I clean them and then I try to arrange the things in the proper order. It's because when things are kept in proper order, it will help me do my work easily, not give any cut. Something like that. You must speak some points in favor of it. When you say Bollywood music is my this thing, I like this particular music director. I
I
like
will
the
have to
recent
elaborate
music.
it.
Yeah, you have to speak about it.
Yes.
Good. Thank you so much. What is your name? Gaurav.
Yes.
Yeah. Sai Mohana, I think you must have known by now what type of questions will come, and I have covered it in detail. And I think I conducted two interviews for you already. Correct?
No,
So
no, sir. Only one interview was done,
one
sir.
one interview was done. Okay. Second, you can take it.
Yes,
Have you give?
yes.
Have you taken the date? Taken the date from me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
You told it will be on 18th, sir. Yes.
18th. Acha, acha, acha. What is your number? 62912? No, no, no. 99592?
No, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you. No problem.
So
Now you know what are all the questions that will come. So I wanted you to come so that you get idea what it is fully. Kushwant, if he had been there, it would have been
Sure,
nice. He is
sir.
not there. Very good. Thank you. Now,
so
Gaurav,
another thing.
Sir, sir, one, sir.
hmm, tell Sai Mohana.
Sir, sir, will they ask about salary? Like, some questions will be like, what are your salary expectations? Like,
No, no, no.
if we,
They,
do we get
no,
those type of questions?
no, no, they will not ask. They will not ask. However,
Okay.
you can know you are appearing for officer's post. The salary is somewhere around 60,000 and clerical staff somewhere
Okay,
around
sir.
35,000. You can know that.
Okay, sir.
Now, Gaurav, next question.
Yes.
Actually, I have been shortlisted for ICICI Prudential also.
But
So
don't
they
join
haven't.
that. Don't join that. That is useless.
I'm just going for to take some experience for interview and also.
When is your interview?
They haven't yet declared it.
No, no, no. But if you attend this interview, they will announce the result on the second day itself.
Yeah.
If you attend on 18th, you will get the result on 18th evening or 19th evening. Depends on number of candidates in your college. And after that, ICICI Prudential, when I do, if you like marketing job 100%, then you take it up. Is it for marketing or what?
They haven't told the any post also, sir.
But their salary will not be this good.
Yeah,
They will not offer you 4 lakh salary that these people are offering.
and I've also been selected in Pyramid Finance.
Which one?
Pyramid Finance.
Piramal Finance. Who are the directors or important people behind that?
I'll share that information, sir, in WhatsApp. I'll send that link to you.
Yeah. No, no, but even that's a private company. Unless you are interested in taking up a very much market oriented job with total risk, I won't recommend it.
Yes, I'm not interested in marketing much.
Yeah. No, no, but don't tell like this in the interview. In the
Yeah,
interview of Federal Bank, you should say, I like marketing. I will talk to everybody very nicely. I will talk to them, smile at them, and convince them to open account with us. Like that, you should say. Okay. Best
another
wishes,
company is coming, sir, in our college for placement cognizant.
but not required. That's all useless. Once you get this, that and all is useless. Provided you want a permanent job. If you want cognizant may be good for engineers, not for
Hmm.
commerce graduates.
Okay.
Engineers, if they join, they can aspire to go for foreign countries and all that. But otherwise, if you join in cognizant, they will pay you 22,000 rupees salary or 25,000 rupees salary, and then thereafter increase may not be that very good. Understand?
Yes.
If you are an engineering graduate, it is good.
And I had
That
also been
shortlisted
clear
for
TCS.
that is again useless. Considering federal,
Cleared in interviews.
considering federal, but it is good from one angle. They will not send you home. You will
Yeah.
be like a government office. You can be working there for long. That's not a problem. Sometimes they will take you and they will put you on bench without work also. So it depends what you like.
Yes.
Um, TCS is not, if you don't get banks, then you can join TCS.
Yes.
That is
In
what
which
it
bank
is.
you were working, sir?
I was in Indian Bank, not now, long, long ago, in 2001,
Okay.
1969, in the last century to 2001.
Uh-huh.
So, of course, I am up to date because I am reading with what is happening online and I am guiding all the people every day. So, I am more updated than the present people working in bank.
Yeah.
That is it. Yeah, anyhow, best wishes. Thank you very much, Gaurav, for
Thank
coming immediately because you messaged me, and when I messaged you, he immediately paid and joined this group. Thank you so much. That is why I thought it fit to spend so much time with you,
you.
nearly
Yeah, sir.
1 hour
So
with you. Best
now I'm
wishes.
feeling somewhat relieved.
Yeah. God bless you. I wish you success.
Sir,
Yeah.
Thank you.
sir, uh,
Yeah.
sir, my doubt is what type of questions can we expect for HR and marketing students, sir?
That is, I have already,
So
if
for
you go
HR,
through, if you go through the 170
yes.
pages questions, you will know. But normally, HR people, they will ask questions. Why did you choose HR? What are the responsibilities of HR manager? And why don't you try for HR job instead of trying as a general probationary officer? And then what do you understand by good communication skill? What are the skills required in a leader? What are the skills that are required for succeeding in life? And in what way do you think you will fit into this officer's job role? So likewise, then what are the things that will motivate
Okay, sir.
you? How will you motivate others? Likewise, I think I have told you more than once about this in different forms.
Yes, sir.
Please prepare.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Please
Thanks,
share
sir.
Bye.
the recording.
Gaurav,
Please share the recording, sir.
Yeah, I will share the recording. Thank
I'll
you.
revise it again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.